Good morning student and welcome to the online math class, and this is our class 8th video. In this video we have to explain the exercise 16.2. In the previous video we have to explain the question number 1 to 4th, and in this video we have to explain the question number 5th to 8th, and in my next video we have to complete this exercise. So before starting this exercise, I have to tell you something about the cylinder, because this exercise is totally depend on the cylinder, and also we have to explain the literal surface area and the volume and the total surface area of a cylinder. And I feel that you are learn all these formula, that is your literal surface area and total surface area and a volume of a cylinder, and you also write in your notebook. Okay, so this video we have to start with the question number 1. As you show in your screen, the question number 1 is the height of a cylinder is 14.2 centimeter and lateral surface area is 78 pi. Find the radius and the volume of a cylinder. So you have to find the radius and the volume of a cylinder, and you get the height of this, and the lateral surface area is this. So before starting this video, I have to concern one thing, that everyone take your book and open that exercise, and then after you have to see the video, and also you have to learn all the formulas. Then after you are understood how to work with this chapter or exercise, because this exercise is totally depend on a formula, and then you have to find the value of the respected dimensions and the condition, and then you have to apply the formula. Okay, so in this question you have a height of a cylinder is 14.2 centimeter and lateral surface area is 78 pi. So student, you very well know what is the formula of lateral surface area of a cylinder, that is the 2 pi rh is equal to, we have to put the value 78 pi, and then you here put the value of h and pi. Pi is cut with this value, so you are not able to put the value of pi. It is quietly do it without putting the value of pi, because pi is cut with the pi. That's why we have to write these things just like 2 into r we have to find with the help of this lateral surface area, so we have to write here r, and h is equal to 14.2 and then equal to 78. Then with these things you have the value of r. So r is equal to this value of 2 and 14.2 is in the form of multiply. So this value going there, how opposite side of an equal to, and then this value converted into divide, because this is in the form of multiply here. So then this value going the side of an equal to, that time it is converted into divide, so that you get the value of r. So r is equal to, you have uh, 780 upon 780 upon 2 into 14.2, and then after you have to cut this value 780 with 2, and this value converted into 3990. Okay, and then after how to convert the 782, I have to explain here. Okay, I remove your point within the 14.2 and then increase the 10 here. Okay, then after it is converted into 780 to 78. Okay, then after you have to you have a value is 390 upon 142, and then after you have to divide 142 with 390, and then you get the answer. So radius is 2.74 centimeter. Student, everyone know how to divide these things. If you not know, then you have to ask me, but I know you are able to divide this question and find the answer. Okay, so then after 140 divide by 390, and then you get the 2.74. This is your radius. And then in this question it is also say you have to find the volume. So what is the formula you are used for volume? This is your formula for volume of a cylinder is 20 22 upon 7 into r square into h. अब यहाँ पर 22 upon 7 क्या है? You very well know pi. So we have to write here pi value here. So that's mean 22 upon 7 into r square into h, and then after you have to put the value of r, because you get the value of r here, you get the value of r here, and also you have a value of h, and value of h is, you very well know, 14.2. so this value is converted just like 22 upon 7 into r square. R square means r into r, so you have to put the value r is as in a 2 times, so you have to write 22 upon 7 into 2.74 into 2.74 into h, that's mean 14.2. then after you have to write this value as in the form of 3.14, and this value, these value you multiply these things, and then you get the 7.5076, and then you have to multiply all these value and get your answer. So answer is 334.74 centimeter cube. I have to write here the unit of the volume centimeter cube. In the previous video and in this video we have also explained that the volume is written in the cube unit. Okay, that's why we have to write the centimeter cube. Are you understand how to find the volume of a cylinder? And then after this question is complete, now we have to explain the next question. Next question is on your screen, and see in your book and read this question. I have also read this question, so listen it. Question is, a roller is 180 centimeter long and has a diameter is uh, 140 centimeter. So you have a length, that's mean the height is 180, and roller diameter is 140 centimeter. So with this help, with these things, we have to consider कि we have a height, that is your h, and also with the help of diameter we have to find the radius. And everyone see the roller is in the form of a cylinder. Everyone see at the road, that is your roller, and roller is in the form of a cylinder, so we have to apply all the formula related with the cylinder which I say in this question. Okay, आगे पढ़िए. To leave a playground it take the 620 complete revolution. It label a playground. ये यहाँ पर roller is help to plane the playground, and then when it is help to plane the playground, that time it take the 620 complete rotation. So it is determine the cost of a labeling the playground at the rate of the 700 rupees. So you have to find the cost to labeling of this playground. Here one things it also say कि in one revolution, that's mean in one rotation, it take the one LSA. So you have a find first of all the LSA, that is a literal surface area or a cut surface area, and then after you have to find the cost. So how to find the cost I have to explain with this question here. Okay, one things, when you have a roller, and if the roller is rolled on the playground, so that time in one rolled, in one rolled it cover the one curved surface area. So that's mean the distance of a one roll is equal to the curved surface area of a cylinder. So we have to find the curved surface area of a cylinder first of all. That's why we have to get the distance in one rotation. Okay, so how to find the literal surface area of cylinder? So we have to use the formula 2 pi r h and put the value of r and h. Here the value of h is equal to 180 and diameter is equal to 140, so that the radius is equal to 70 centimeter, because the radius is the half of your diameter. Okay, this concept you have to learn कि radius is the half of a diameter, so that's why half of a 140 is equal to 70. So that's mean radius is equal to 70, and then you have to put the value here. Here you have to put the value of pi, r and h, pi, r and h. Then after this converted just like 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 and r is 70 and H is 180, and then after you have to cut this value with this value, and this value is converted into 10. So 7 10 ja 70. Okay, so then this value converted just like 22 into 2, that is 44, and 180 into 10 is equal to 1800, and then you have to multiply these things and get your total surface area of a, oh sorry, not a total surface area, that is a literal surface area of a cylinder or a rolled. So this is in the form of a centimeter square. Are you understand? Now we have to explain the other part of this question. So you have to see here, okay, at the time of revolution, the roll has cover a 1 literal surface area. So that's mean one roll, one revolution distance is equal to 1 literal surface area of a cylinder. So that time it have a 620 revolution. So that time you have to find the total distance after multiply the 620 with 1 literal surface area of a cylinder. So you have to multiply these things. So 620 into 7920 200 and multiply these things. So this value can have you, this value you have uh, 49 comma 104 comma 3 times 0 centimeter square. So this is the whole distance that is covered by the rolled in 620 revolution. Okay, this value you have to convert into the meter square. So we have to divide the this formula you are used for converting the centimeter square into the meter square. Formula is 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. So you have to divide these things with the meter square. Why we have to convert these things? Because in the question it will give the rupees in the per meter square value. So we have to use these things. Okay, so you have to convert these things just like total distance is equal to, after divide of a 10,000, this value converted into 44910.4 meter square. So this is a total distance that is in your meter square. Okay, now you have to find the cost, and cost is given here per meter square value, it will give the 700 rupees. So total distance is this, total distance is this. So this is your total distance or total value. So you have to multiply this total value with 700 rupees. So this value have you after multiply these things. So this is your 3,437,280 rupees. That's mean uh, that's mean you have a total cost of these things. Okay, so after these things your question is complete. If any type of doubt with the within this question, then you have to ask me. I have to solve your problem. Okay, now we have to explain the next question. Next question is on your screen. Question is 80 circular plates is there. Okay, 80 circular plate is there, and each of the radius is 21 centimeter, thickness is 16 centimeter, are placed on one above the other to the form of a solid rectangular circular cylinder. So you have a 80 circular plates, and in 80 circular plates one plate dimension is given. The radius of one plate is 21 centimeter and the thickness is 16 centimeter. So this is the plate, and in this plate you have the radius is 21 centimeter, but thickness is your 16 centimeter. This thickness is converted into this plate as a height, because the plate is in the form of a cylinder. Because plate is in the form of a cylinder, so that's why we have to convert these things thickness as a height. So radius is this, height is this, and then after you have to find the total surface area and the volume of this cylinder. Are you understand these things? Now you have to do these things just like In this question, the radius of a plate is 21 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. So you have to find the total surface area of cylinder, because in this question it asks for a total surface area. So we have to find the total surface area. So what is the formula of a total surface area of cylinder? That formula is 2 pi r bracket h plus r, and then after you have to put the value of h, r and pi in this formula and get your answer. So how to put it? You have to see here 2, just like that. Pi is 22 upon 7, r is 21, and also h is 16 and r is 21. And then after you have to cut this 7 with 21, and then after you get the 3. So this 22 into 2, that's value 22 into 2, that is 44, and 3 is just like that, and you have to add these things, and then you have to get the 37. Multiply all these values, then you get the answer of a one plate total surface area. Okay, so this is your 4884 centimeter square. After that it will say also find the value of volume. So with the help of a formula, we have to find the volume of a plate. So formula is pi r square h, and you have to put the value of r and h and pi here, and then you have to get the volume of one plate. Okay, so you have to get the volume of one plate, just like, just see this. So this value is pi. Pi is 22 upon 7, r is 21, and r square is there, so we have to write r into r. So 21 into 21 into h, h is 16, and then after you have to cut 7 by 21, that's value is 3. So 22 into 3, that is value is 66 into 21 into 16. Multiply all these value, we have to get this value 22,176 centimeter is cube, because volume is in the form of a cubic unit form. Okay, so we get one plate TSA and also one plate volume, but we have a 80 plate, so we have to multiply all this value and get the total total TSA of that cylinder. So we have to multiply with 80. Okay, we have to multiply with 80 for these things and get your total TSA. So multiply with 80, so this value is 4884 into 80, and then you get your total TSA of that 80 plates. So this value is 390720, and convert this value into the meter after divide of 10,000, and then you get the required answer after divide these things. Okay, so then you get the required answer is total surface area of a plate is 39.07 meter square. This is your required answer in the meter format. Here you have to find the volume of 80 plates, so you have to multiply volume of one plate into 80, and then you have to get the answer. And after you have to convert this centimeter into meter, so you have to divide with this value, and then you get your answer in the meter format. So this value is 1.77 meter cube. Student, one thing I have to ask you, some question answer is not match with the with your answer sheet, because in the answer sheet some question answer is given wrong. So you don't worry, this question is right, and I have to give you a proper format or proper answer of all these questions. So you have to do this question in your notebook and write these answer in your notebook. Do not write that answer that is given in the answer book in your book. Okay, so question number 8 is, a solid metallic cylinder of a base radius is this. So here a solid cylinder you have, and that have a radius is 10.5 and height is 7.8 centimeter, and this cylinder is melt, and then this it is converted into cube, and that side is 2.2 centimeter. Here the question is say you have to find the number of a cube found. So in this question, before starting this exercise, we have to tell you when the object is melt. So that time you have to use the formula of a volume of that shape. So here the solid is to be melt. So you have to use the volume of a solid. So this is your cylinder, and this cylinder is melt and converted into cube. So you have to write the volume of a cylinder is equal to volume of a cube. So you have to write the volume of a cylinder is equal to volume of a cube into n, because the number of uh, cubes you have to find. So we have to write the number of a cube as a n, and here you have the cylinder radius is equal to this 10.5, and the height of a cylinder is 7.8, and you have a cube radius is 2.2 centimeter. So here you have to put the value of a cylinder, and also you have to put the formula of a cylinder and volume of a cube formula. So here the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and the volume of a cube is side cube. Okay, and then you have to put here n, that is a number of a cubes that is formed after melting of that volume. Okay, so you have to find the n. So this value going there and move in a divide form. So we have to write just like that, put the value of pi r h, and side we have to write this value just like that. So 22 upon 7 into r squared, that's mean 10.5. So you have to write 10.5 into 10.5 into 7.8 upon 2.2 into 2.2 into 2.2. All the points are cut with the above points. Okay, and then after you have to cut the 7 with 10.5. This value is converted into 1.5, and we have to write all these values just like that. So n is equal to 22 into 15 into 105 into 78 upon 22 into 22 into 22, and you have to cut 22 with 22, and this value you have to multiply, get it this, and 22 upon 22 is just like that you have to write here. And after divide these things, you have to divide this value with 22 and 22, and then you get the answer. That answer is n is equal to 253.82. here you have to write this value in the approximate form. So 254 cubes are made after melting this cylinder and change this cylinder into the cube. Okay, so by this way you have to solve these question at your home. This question you have to repeat again at your home in the rough notebook. If any type of doubt you have, then you have to ask me in the comment box, and also directly call me. I have to solve your problem. Some student is not see all the videos, that is give only the attendance. In my next video we have to ask you some questions, and also I have to ask you to give the answer of that question. Calculation is left in the previous video. Some student is give the answer, but so many student is not give the answer and only write a attendance and close the video. So it is not a fair one. You have to see all the video properly, and then after you have to give the answer, and also you have give the attendance in the comment box. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.